So, hi Godwin. Yes, I just watched the video you sent over. So, you asked some questions pertaining to this project, and in this video, I want to answer every one of them. So, the first question you asked is, I just want to clarify a few points. What platform would you use? So, number one, I'm going to be building the dashboard, the visualization using Looker Studio, because that's what I know to use very, very well. Basically, your system is going to be fully automated. You're not going to have to touch anything ever again pertaining to this project. You just wake up in the morning or whichever time you need to and check, and you see everything pertaining to whatever it is you are doing within your business. Simple as that. Very straightforward. Do I need to provide you with any metrics? Yes, you need to provide me with all the metrics you want me to work on for this project. So everything you need me to work on. I already have an idea about what you want to do. Yeah, one of the charts you are going to need in this project is a funnel chart, something like this, that breaks down how people come in, how they get to the next point. Let's say they come in as leads, then they are pre-qualified, they get to the next stage, they get to the third stage, until they get to the closing point. This is just different because this is for e-commerce, but it's the same point, the same idea basically. So that's it. For that thing. So also, and finally, what is the estimated delivery time? The estimated delivery time is dependent on how much data you have and how many metrics you need me to calculate. So the more the metrics, the more time I'll need to work on the project. Then apart from that, I also want to break down how I'm going to work on your project for you. So the first thing I will do is this is a popular connector. This is called Windsor. It is a connector you can use to connect to any lots of online platforms, ad platforms, e-commerce platforms, and much more. So what I'm going to do first is connect to Airtable using your access token. These are the series of steps I'm going to take. Once this is done, once this is set up, I'll automate the entire pipeline. What does that mean? What I'm going to do is that every single day, data from your Airtable project is transferred from this platform, using this platform, to a platform called BigQuery. What BigQuery is used for is BigQuery is used for analysis basically. So any form of analysis, there's no form of metric you cannot calculate using BigQuery, and that's what I'm going to be using for your project. So basically, on a 24-hourly basis, on a daily basis, you get all your updated data into BigQuery. Once your data is available in BigQuery, automatically Looker Studio is updated as well. You can see everything here. On a daily basis, you see everything pertaining to your data. Whatever metric you need to calculate, yes, everything will be presented here at any time you want. So you can put it that, let's say you want all your metrics to be seen or to be updated by 8 a.m. every day. You want to see all your metrics by 8 a.m. every day. You can set the pipeline to work every day by, let's say, 5 a.m. So by 8 p.m. everything by 8 a.m. I mean everything is ready. You are seeing every single thing you need to do. You can also use the data, the project, this data visualization. You can use it to present to your colleagues. You can use it to present to anybody you need to present to. It's basically as simple as that. Also, for this project, you are going to have filters, so you can filter by month. Let me give you an example. Let me see if there's any example. So we're going to be able to filter by month. So let's say you want to see all the data for last month. You also want to see all the data for the previous month. You also want to see the data for the last maybe 6 months. You'll be able to do that by using filters. Let's see this, something like this now. Yes, so I believe that's it. I believe that's majorly it. So yes, you can see this is these are filters. So I can filter back. I can go back and say I want to see data for November. I want to see data for October. Yes, simple as that. It's very straightforward and simple.